About this item: 8-in-1 power strip. This surge protector with 5 widely outlets, 1875W/15A, and 3 USB charging ports, total 5B/3.1A, can power up 8 electrical devices simultaneously. Widely spaced outlets are separated enough to fit big adapters without blocking each other. Is ideal for computer, TV, and other household electrical devices. Power strip with USB. This surge protector with 3 USB charging ports provide 3.1A/15.5W in total. Built-in smart charging technology that detects and deliver an ideal input current of up to 5V/2.4A. The actual current is decided by the demand for the devices. 5 surge protector outlet with 3 complementary surge protection circuits, TVs, transient voltage suppressor, MOV, metal oxide restore, GDT, gas discharge tube, can absorb capacity of 900 joules. It's more quickly and reliably than the traditional surge protector circuit, can protect your TV, computer from voltage fluctuations, surges and spikes. Surge protected indicator light on to show your devices are protected. Overload protection. Intelligent circuitry with built-in voltage sensing detects current power. When the rated power is exceeded, the switch will automatically shut off to keeps your device safe. 1382